Welcome to this new video. This video is about the drill through and visualization in Power BI. So with drill through in Power BI reports, you can create a destination target page in your report that focuses on a specific entity such as a supplier, customer, or manufacturer. So that when your report readers or the clients, when they right click a data point in other source report pages, they can drill through to the target page to get details that are filtered to that context. So you can set up drill through in your reports in Power BI desktop as well as Power BI service. So we have a report here, and in this report we have set up the drill through, and we have set up two pages for drill through. So what happens is, if you click this report and this table, when you right click, you will get an option called drill through, and they will show this option, two options, both the pages. It will show any page. If you want, you can click and you can see the filters with respect to that value. So suppose if you want, if you are selecting the total payment revenue, and if you are right clicking, and if you need to see much more about this payment revenue, you can just click on the much more payment revenue option, and it will be redirected to the page here. This page will be shown. So these are the two pages which has been configured as drill through. So in these pages, the drill through option has been enabled. So when you click on this selection in this menu, you can directly go to this page with the filters, because if you are selecting this filter or filter here, so if you want to select the filter here now, and this table will be filtered, and with respect to this filter, you will be redirected to this page, and you will be shown all the details about the payment with respect to this filter. So drill through is very powerful in visualization. So we will be seeing an example. This almost the same example we will be seeing. So in this page, we are going to create a summary page here. So we are going to create the summary page, and we will be taking the data inside a table. So in this table, we are going to give the calendar. We are going to give the dates. Don't need the quarter. We need year, day, and month. And we will be we will select total purchase revenue as well as total payment revenue, because here in this table, if you see the model, this is the model, and this model in this purchased fact table, we are having two tables for date. One is purchase date and another one is payment. We are going to get the revenue with respect to the payment date as well as with respect to the purchase date. For that, of course, already I have written the DAX measure for that, because payment is related table, but the relation is not active. For making it active, we have the user relationship also, and the other one, purchase revenue, is an active relationship. So it's just we wrote the sum of purchase revenue. So we are going to get these two details, that is total purchase revenue and total payment revenue. So these two values we are going to get, and here we are going to drill through this purchase and payment revenue. We will see how we are going to do it. So we'll create a new page, and we'll give the page as payment revenue, and here we will be selecting another table, and in this table we will select the product details, product name, then we will select the habitat name, we will select the environment mode, and then we will select the payment revenue. So these are the detailed listing of items which we are going to show when we drill through the payment revenue. And not only we have to create this, we need to make this as a drill through. We need to drag this payment revenue to this drill through option. So as soon as we dragged and kept it in the drill through option, what happened was just automatically dictated, and it enabled all the filters. So it is going to keep the filters when the control is being moved to this page, as well as one arrow mark, and one arrow has been created automatically, which if we need it, we want to go back to the page which we came from. So if you do a control and click, it will go back to this page, summary page. So right now, if you want to check it, just right click here, and you got okay, drill through payment revenue. Just go there, and whichever cell we selected and click, all the details about that cell is shown here. So if you come here and see, because we are going to select this 147, 1st August 2016, and the value is 147, and we will right click here, and we'll go to payment revenue. So we got the details about this 147, what all product name was there, in what all environment it was there, everything we can see. So this is one way to show the drill through option. So you can see all the filters which we selected there. We selected day 1 August 2016, and we have selected that, and they have kept all the filters inactive and the command came to this, control came to this page with all those filters. That's why it has kept all the filters and that option is on. Even we can go to a drill through from one report to another. That's why cross report is also there. If you want to enable it, you can enable it, but you need to configure it in the settings and you can select another so that from here you can drill through another report. Now we will continue this problem itself. Now we got the total payment revenue, but the problem is if you select here also, you will get the payment revenue, but you are not going to see this 313, that is total purchase revenue. We need to get the details about this 313, but if you right click here, we are not going to get it because we are going to get it from payment revenue. Payment revenue, the value is totally different. So select here, you will be getting the value with respect to this. So we need to create another page and we will write it as purchase revenue. And here also in the same way, we can create a table, and in that table we can create whatever we have created there. We can select the product name, we can select the habitat name, we can select the environment name. Finally, when we select the measure for the total revenue, we need to change and we need to select the total purchase revenue. In this previous page, we have selected the total payment revenue. Here we are going to select the total purchase revenue. At the same time, we need to drag and drop it to the drill through option. So we got all the details about purchase revenue and we got the arrow also here. So now we are going to the summary. So right now we want to know about the purchase which we have done on 1st August 2016. So we are going to click here, right click. We need to get the purchase, not payment. So when you select the purchase revenue, it came to the purchase revenue page, and of course we are going to get all the details about this cell or this value. You can even create some visuals also, like with the charts or with the pie chart or any other visuals. You can even with line chart you can use. Here we are showing the simple example. You can control and right click here, but when we publish the report, no need of giving control. You can simply click and it will go back. Now at the same time here, if you are clicking here and even though you want the know the details about this 33.22 of payment revenue, you can click here and you can drill through and you can just select payment revenue. That will be going to the same value, 33.22. So this is a simple example of drill through option. You can dig deep into it and you can get more insights about it. Hope this video finds more interesting to you. Have a nice day.